Alright, so today is a special day, sort of, because I am doing a shoot with NBA India. I cannot say more, I cannot give out more details, but yeah, that is what we are doing today. So before we get started with the day, it was a very messed up day because I had to arrange everything. Everything was completely haywire because the weekend had just gone by. Any which ways, so the guys are outside right now, the set is ready. I'm going to quickly go finish that shoot and continue the video back again. Wags, please shoot some behind the scenes and show it to our audience because they should know what Mr. Karan Khatri is doing on a weekday other than shooting vlogs. Alright, let's go. Alright, so finally done with the shoot. We started at 10 a.m. and it's almost 4 o'clock now. I have not had breakfast, I have not had lunch. It's a complete mess. I had to change like millions of outfits and check what the state of my room is right now. Everything is here. Either ways, it was very tiring, so I'm going to go and grab some lunch quickly and maybe I'll feel better after that. Okay, thank you very much. It's not bad.
It's not bad, right?
Yeah. Thanks guys, bye.
Bye.
Oh yes. Biryani. Bags, are you ready to eat biryani? Yes. Pakka? Wags is also not had lunch today because he was helping the whole team shooting and obviously he was there for me if I needed something or I needed a particular way of shooting for something. So yeah, kudos to Wags because he's also working hard for this video and now we're gonna eat some nice biryani. What's up? हाँ हो गया but it was very this thing यार. अरे मतलब ये 10 बजे चालू हुआ सुबह, ठीक है, तो आई डिडंट ईट एनीथिंग और एनीथिंग. आई थॉट ठीक है हो जाएगा 1-2 घंटे में, तो पर वो 3-4 बजे तक चल गया यार. So they had to do one video for Instagram, so that we did that, and then they had to do like 3-4 stories, 3-4 Instagram reels, some static post for Instagram. तो इतना पूरा दुनिया था यार करने के लिए, तो शाम हो गई.
तो अभी खत्म हुआ?
अभी खत्म हुआ, अभी हम लोगों ने बिरयानी खाई बस. अच्छा बाय द वे एक गुड न्यूज़ है.
क्या?
गैस ना क्या 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 क्या
कुछ पिज्जा खाने जा रहे?
अरे तू पागल है. पिज्जा इज गुड न्यूज और व्हाट? पिज्जा यू विल गेट आफ्टर द गुड न्यूज ना, बिकॉज ऑफ द गुड न्यूज.
तो फाइनलाइज कर. और
अरे यार फाइनलाइज तो तब करेंगे जब बिकेगी ना.
तो फिर
तो गाड़ी बिक गई गधे, और क्या.
ऐसा बोल रहा ना?
गाड़ी बिक गई, पैसा भी आ गया.
क्या मेरे को दो ना.
अरे यार क्या बोलूं मैं इसको यार, क्या मेरे को दो. तो बेसिकली गाड़ी, द कार हैज बीन सोल्ड फाइनली. वी हैव सेंट इट आउट ऑलरेडी. द पेमेंट इज ऑल्सो हियर नाउ. नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेफ्ट इज वी गॉट टू स्टिल डिसाइड. बाय द वे आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट आई वॉज वॉचिंग द GLA का नॉर्मल डीजल वर्जन, नॉन AMG, ठीक है, 220D और समथिंग. तो उसमें सब फीचर्स सेम है, कुछ भी अलग नहीं है. See, apart from the engine and say about 100 horsepower more, which obviously is the most important thing, since that is a new car, it comes fully loaded. So the seats, the interiors, the red stitching, the red seat belt, the good wheels, everything, every fucking thing is the same. And the car is 12 lakhs cheaper. So I was just thinking, ऐसा I am not considering, I was just thinking कि 12 लाख रुपए और बचे तो हम और जूते ले सकते हैं ना.
12 लाख बचेगा बट 100 horsepower.
हाँ 100 horsepower है. So guys, what do you think? Not that I'm considering because yeah, I do want little power in the car, but I was just going through it, so I thought let's just discuss. No, let it be actually. Let's
I don't
not.
think what? You need power, bro. Main thing is.
We didn't have power in 220.
हाँ, but
तो सेम ही ना. नहीं, but anyways 220 was छोटा and lighter.
Right.
GLA is little बड़ा and slightly heavier, so it won't feel as powerful.
उसका ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस
सॉर्स द पर्पस तो AMG और नॉन AMG दोनों में हो रहा है क्योंकि दोनों में सेम टायर है, टायर भी सेम है, व्हील भी सेम है, सब कुछ सेम है, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ.
तो फिर
तो इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ ना कि वो 12 लाख रुपए एक्स्ट्रा क्यों देने 100 हॉर्स पावर के लिए। 12 लाख रुपए में तू 12,000 बार 24,000 घोड़ों पे बैठ सकता है।
क्यों बैठूंगा?
अरे हॉर्स लेकिन ये हॉर्स पे बैठेगा तो हॉर्स पावर नहीं रहेगा ना, पावर कम हो जाएगा। अच्छा एनीवेज वो देखते हैं, we'll see about that later. So point is basically the car is finally gone. We are not getting to going to use it again.
Okay, the good thing is
हाँ।
कार बिक गई है तो पार्टी बनती है,
तो पार्टी बनती है तो क्या,
तो कुछ तो खाएंगे ना।
कुछ नहीं खाएंगे, चल हो गया खाना खाना खाना। हम लोग ने अभी बिरयानी खाया है, ऐसे इतना बड़ा माउंटेन बिरयानी का।
मेरे को भी खाना है कुछ।
तू बिरयानी खाएगा तो खिलाता हूँ, नहीं खाएगा बिरयानी तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, घर जाओ घर जाओ। So by the way guys, Supreme just dropped their fall winter 21 collection and they dropped this really awesome ping pong table tennis as you call it, and I'm a huge fan of table tennis. I used to I think play inter school, I don't even remember actually, inter school था, inter city था, inter state था, भगवान जाने। So basically I really want this table. वैसे तो I am over Supreme, I don't really buy Supreme anymore. I don't think you guys must have seen me buying anything from Supreme, but there are some things obviously which are really attractive in this full Supreme red colorway. So let's see how much that table costs, and we will try to import it and get it to India, and we could actually fit it. Actually I'm planning to build a studio. We are talking too much today, huh? I have so many things to talk about. Oh, by the way, we have to choose winner of the giveaway also. पागल
करते हैं ना।
हाँ तो पहले वो स्टूडियो का मैं बताया था ना। So basically, I'm planning to make a huge studio, like a like a warehouse or a garage style, where we will have a pool table. We'll have a team of people, which hopefully won't be as useless as Vax. Vax is not going anywhere, obviously, but we are hoping to find some intelligent people under him, so even Vax can become intelligent. So we have a team of editors. We have a pool table now.
That is very difficult for him to।
हाँ तो उसको नहीं बदल सकते ना, इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ उसके नीचे थोड़े स्मार्ट लोग को लेंगे तो शायद वो भी स्मार्ट हो जाएगा ना।
वो ऐसे नहीं होता ना।
इतनी बेइज्जती।
अरे बेइज्जती किधर है ब्रो, तू गधा है तो गधा ही रहेगा ना। Anyways, so the point is I want to add the ping pong table also in the studio, so we'll need another 500 square feet probably. Let's see, the plan is to make that happen soon, probably by the end of this year. I might actually join with Vedant, then we will do it together as well as a nice creators space. We have a couple of plans, let's see how that goes. हाँ
वो टीटी टेबल के साथ वो जो टीटी का वो आया था ना सेट लास्ट ईयर,
सुप्रीम का ना।
Supreme
हाँ तो
का।
वो सेट आया इसलिए तुम लोगों ने अभी टेबल निकाला ना, तो ऑब्वियसली बात है वो लेंगे तो वो भी लेंगे ना यार।
हाँ तो।
वो लेने के बाद क्यों, कौन सा ब्रांड है उसका लेके खेलेंगे क्या उसके साथ?
हाँ तो इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ।
बकवास करता है। चल अभी विनर पिक करना है,
हाँ तो करो।
और कुछ मेरे को बताना था, मैं भूल गया। Alright, so let's go ahead and pick the first winner for which video we'll refer video wise. Okay, ऐसे randomly कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं. So we'll pick the winner for the birthday day video. The birthday sneaker pickup video. I announced the giveaway in that video. So that video has obviously crossed 10k. If you are new here, then there was a condition of couple of videos reaching 10,000 views, which they did not. However, the birthday video is at 17,000 views, I think currently. No, 15,000, 12,000, whatever, it's crossed 10,000, so we are picking one winner. अभी आगे जाके क्या करते हैं ना, let's not tell people to go back to the old videos.
Right.
So one sneaker we are giving away right now, one winner, and we have 3 more winners to pick. So as and when, say if today's video reaches 10,000,
Or any video.
yeah, any video. If today's video reaches 10,000 views and 1,000 likes in next 3 days, so then on the 4th day when we do a video, we'll choose the second winner.
Yes.
So basically, if you want me to choose the winners quickly, then you understood. I think it's a very smart move. You got to watch all the videos, you got to like all the videos, support your boy, and let's see how we can go ahead and get this done. Anyways, enough time wasted. Now let's quickly jump to the screen where we'll pick a winner. Congratulations, do not forget to DM me and please keep your account public, not private, because like I said, we are both going to go through your account and we will personally decide what sneaker we should give it to you, if it's your first one or the next one or whatever it is, blah blah blah. That's completely our call. We are going to surprise you with a great pair of sneakers. So yes, you have about 24 to 48 hours to DM me. If you do not DM me, and then we will pick a new winner in the next video, and blah 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 blah. Everything is the same for the rest of you. Thank you for watching till here. And please do not forget to like this video, share with the friends. Let's cross 10,000 views ASAP so we can pick another winner in the next video. Let's do one thing ना. इसको अपन एक norm बना देते हैं. Okay, I'm not exactly announcing this right now, but I'm just discussing with you guys. Going forward, after this whole winners thing is done, we will set a norm for every month. Okay, say in this month, if how many ever videos cross 10,000 views, we'll give one sneaker for each video. Yeah, I want to give it back to you guys. I want you people to feel as interested when a new video drops. So let's make it like this, and we will take it slowly up. Ultimately, cause by the way, I totally forgot. Thank you everyone. You all commented on the last video about me reaching 40,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I could not reply to the comments on that one. I will try to as soon as possible. So yes, our next target is 100k. No 50k, no 60k. I'm not going to celebrate any of those stupid figures. Let's just get to 100k ASAP. And yes, I'll get to 100k, you'll get more sneakers. It's a win-win situation for everyone. And if you want to win some more, then go to the link in description, check out Main Street Metro, you can win more sneakers there. So a lot of things happening. I'm doing everything I can for you. That's all from me for today. Once again, if you're watching till here, like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow us both on Instagram. Congratulations to the winner once again, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.